My name is Joe Guerrera, and I'm Sicilian, and we're going to talk about marinara sauce. So first I take some extra virgin olive oil, and I braise the bottom of the pan. Before it heats up, I take chopped garlic, and I put it in, and I would like the garlic to roast slowly. This way, the garlic flavor gets infused in the oil. We're going to wait a little bit for this. Once it's almost brown, then I'm going to pour the tomatoes in. You know, all the cooking that I do, it's not work for me. I really, it's zen for me. Okay, here we go. It's starting to brown. Crushed tomatoes are next. And I'm going to take a little tomato paste just to thicken it up. I'm going to take a pinch of oregano, pinch of sea salt, and a little crushed pepper to season it. So now I'm going to add the basil. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes to have all the flavors of the herbs, salt, pepper, and the olive oil all come together, and this will be delicious, I guarantee it.